Alright guys, so this right here is the Umarex Smith&Wesson M&P R8. So let's get the box out of here. Pretty nice box though. Alright, so yeah, I just wanted to show you some cool features of this gun. And, yeah, it swings out, so it's pretty cool. Flick it close, flick it open. It's neat. So yeah. Okay, so the safety is off and hammer is back, and there is CO2 and BBs in it, but I just thought I'd show you the decocking mechanism. So hammer first, trigger, release the hammer, and then trigger. So I just want to show you how safe it is. So I'm gonna pull it with my left hand, the trigger, and then just drop the hammer. I don't know if you can see that though. Okay, I'll do it like this. As long as you got the trigger all the way back, it won't fire. So yeah, just to demonstrate that there is BBs and CO2 in, I'm just gonna shoot that. Yeah, that target right there. So you can decock it. So that's pretty cool. And when it's cocked and you don't want to shoot anymore, put it to safe. Hammer back, trigger back, half cock, put it off safety, and it's decocked. So that's pretty neat. So yeah, it's really nice pistol. The decocking mechanism is real nice. So yeah, it's really safe, as you can see, as long as you pull the trigger in. So, yeah. And you can do this on the Crossman 357 as well. So yeah, I'll probably make a video of that too, so check that one out. And yeah, thanks for watching.